Hello guys! In the last video we are going to talk about mouse events, but in this video we are going to talk about keyboard events. In keyboard events we are going to learn two things: on key up, on key down. On key down is used when user press a key, and on key up is used when user release a button from the keyboard. Now let's work with it. At the first I want to take the ID of this input field, okay? Document dot get element by ID. After that, let's go and take the ID of this input field, the ID of that text field. Okay, let's paste it here. And after that, let's write on key down. Okay, when the user press a key on the keyboard, this function will be executed. Equal, after that parentheses, equal, greater than, and curly brackets. Inside of this parenthesis, we have to write a parameter, because when you move your mouse, when you press a button, when you release a button from the keyboard, JavaScript automatically created an object, and that object will be stored inside of this parameter. I want to write a parameter. For example, you can give it whatever you want. I want to put it E. Okay. After that, let's write console.log. Inside of this, I want to say that e.key. E is the parameter name. Keys mean key. Which keys pressed? After that, I want to write is pressed. Let's close this. Now let's see the output. When I come to my input field and I write, for example, F, it says F is pressed. If I write something else, for example, E, it says E is pressed. If I write G, it says G is pressed. If I press the J, it says J is pressed. Now let's know about key up. Key up is used when user release a button from the keyboard. Okay, on key up and save it. And now let's see it. When I press the F, nothing will happen until I release this button. Now I want to release F, and it says F is pressed. Let's change this pressed into released. When I press the E button till I release it, after that, that event will be occurred. Okay, let's press the E. Look, nothing will be occurred. When I release the E, it says E is released. This function executed.